friends, today we will learn about fruit benefits. Do you like fruits? Let's check the benefits. Strawberry.
What are the 10 top health benefits of strawberries? Low in calories, may support heart health, may help manage blood pressure, may regulate blood sugar, may be helpful for those with type 2 diabetes, may be cancer protective, may help weight management, may support brain function. Banana. Bananas are a good source of potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and other important nutrients. They're good for digestive and heart health. You can eat this tropical fruit raw, or add it to smoothies or baked goods. Apple. Apples are high in fiber, vitamin C, and various antioxidants. They are also very filling, considering their low-calorie count. Studies show that eating apples can have multiple benefits for your health. Usually eaten raw, apples can also be used in various recipes, juices, and drinks. Avocado. Health benefits of an avocado. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Helps to lose weight. 3. Keep your heart healthy. 4. Regulates blood pressure. 5. Great for vision. 6. Improves digestion. 7. Essential for a healthy pregnancy. 8. Reduces depression. Peach. Healthy eyes, skin, and immune system. The vitamin A in peaches is key to skin health, as it supports the constant process of replacing old skin cells with new, healthy cells. It also helps protect your skin from damage by free radicals. Peaches are a good source of vitamin C and K, which your body uses to heal wounds. Guava. Guavas are tropical trees originating in Central America. Their fruits are oval in shape with light green or yellow skin and contain edible seeds. What's more, guava leaves are used as an herbal tea and the leaf extract as a supplement. Guava fruits are amazingly rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Orange. The fiber in oranges can keep blood sugar levels in check and reduce high cholesterol to prevent cardiovascular disease. Oranges contain approximately 55 milligrams of calcium, or 6% of your daily requirement. This nutrient is important for building strong bones and maintaining bone health. Grapes. Grapes contain many important vitamins and minerals, including copper and vitamins B and K, may aid heart health. High in antioxidants, may have anti-cancer effects, may protect against diabetes and lower blood sugar levels, may benefit eye health, may improve memory, attention, and mood, may support bone health. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.